it. Look in the mirror, shout it. You know you nailed it. Ain't even come to work, baby, you build it. You know it's worth waiting on you, yeah, it still is.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a no makeup look, but before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you guys can be a part of the Billionaire Babes family. So starting out with my eyebrows, I'm just using this brow pencil from e.l.f. to fill them in. Now I'm just going towards the front of my brow and I'm just kind of drawing straight up to create some hair-like strokes and then just brushing back to blend everything together. Okay y'all, so now I'm going to go ahead and clean up my eyebrows. You'll see me start to carve them out. For this step, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. And when I tell y'all, this is the best concealer I've ever used. The best ever. Drugstore, high-end, doesn't matter. This one is the GOAT. Trust me. Now I'm just going to add that same e.l.f. concealer to my eyelids, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. Now it is prime time, y'all. Get it? Prime time, like for my primer. Anyway, I'm using the Fenty hydrating primer all over my face because it is the winter time, girl, and we do not want to be ashy. Okay, so now I'm just applying my foundation, and for today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is the matte poreless one in the shade 355. Then we're going back in with the e.l.f. concealer, and we're going to apply that under our eyes. We're going to do a little bit down the bridge of our nose, and then also just right above the lip. That way you don't get that dark cast. So we're going to set the concealer with the Juvia's Place setting powder. This is in the shade Kalahari, which is the medium one. So we're going to let that setting powder sit for a second while we go ahead and do our lips. And I'm going to be using this NYX lip liner. This is in the shade dark brown. And then right on top of that, I'm going to just add a Lorac lip gloss. And it's just like a pinky nude gloss. But y'all can add whatever type of lip gloss you want. Something nude definitely if you're doing a no makeup look. Alright babes, so it's time to start bringing everything together with some setting powder to even it out. So I'm using the Fit Me setting powder, and this is in the shade 365. I'm just going to blend that all over my face just so that it's a nice smooth transition between my foundation and my concealer. Now I'm just warming my face up. I'm just using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm just putting that in the depths of my cheeks and then a little bit on my forehead to bring some life back into our skin. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that same bronzer and just put a little bit of it on my eyelids. Now I am showering my face to get rid of that powdery look, and I'm just using some rose water that I have in this spray bottle. Then while our face is still wet, we're going to go in with the Morphe highlighter, and this is in the shade Mirage. I'm going to add this to my skin just so that we have a nice, natural, healthy looking glow. Then the last step is just to add a little bit of mascara. I'm just using one from Wet n Wild, and this is just going to wake our eyes up and make them look more open and kind of bring the whole look together. Now y'all can add false lashes if you want to. I'm not, just because I want this to be a no makeup look and I want it to be as natural as possible. And so this is it, y'all. Super easy, very natural looking look. I hope that you guys enjoyed everything in the video today. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And also, if you are not already subscribed, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you guys can become a billionaire babe just like me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.